Hello folks, Chandan here. Welcome to my YouTube channel with Z. Sometime when you try to install any application or game to your Windows computer, it throws error something like this. Apparently the issue is UAC, User Access Control. If it is enabled, it often shows the same error. In order to get rid of it, you have to disable it. So let's disable it. You need to search for run in your start menu. Just click on search on your Windows, start type in run, and here you just have to write gpedit and hit enter. .msc, sorry. It may take some time to open. Let me zoom it out. Under computer configuration, just click on this arrow, Windows setting. Now click on security settings. Here you have to click on local policy and then security options. Double click on it. It will load a whole bunch of files over here. Just scroll down. You have to choose this one, user access control. Allow UI access application to prompt for elevation without using secure desktop. Double click on it and just disable it. If it is enabled, just disable it and click on up, hit on apply and then OK. I'm sure the problem would not occur again. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit on the like button and share if you can. Thank you so much again. Bye.